Ki nong ilam sinong jong sinong Saiden Mynta kesengi kila penbena pajba banamar ka jingmi jong Ñiangtaser kala janpoi bat ka jing penlong ya ka festival ka balajura ke sisin haki Snem Mynta ka kenti kila penbena ba kamdon ka jingar ke halor ka jingwan mi biang jong neu jait kenyang ubami sisin haki Snem ubolong ru jait jingbam ubang tam na pedeng jong ke jait kenyang yo balajutip ru kum usi kadas hagaktin pareng wat la ki don katto ka ne ki bom jubam yo neu kenyang Hynrei ulong jait kenyang ubolong ban bam bat bobang baha bat bodon ka jingmat ka ba kamper Uba successful leng do obri orang ba shinong jong kishinong Saiden haka jingi don lang jong kiwe ki riurang ba ki belong kinong ilam shinong kila penbena ba Mynta ka kenti kishinong kanong penlong bat kamsha ban penlong ya kene ka jinglek ben la ne ka Ñiangtaser festival hapo ka yosir ka bri ka waini jaka ka mi bhau Ñiangtaser Haribo district ka bahap apo kishinong Saiden
Hunter here. Their clans have been hunting Ñiangtasers for centuries. They know that these cicadas appear only twice in one night. And then they need darkness and silence to develop.
It's 8 p.m. here in Saiden village in Hynrei, and the atmosphere here is thrilling. The match has just begun.
Michael there, moving swiftly towards the goalpost. He is a skilled one.
Little Ramos tackling him strongly, isn't he? Not giving up the fight. No, he isn't.
Oh, Michael can't get past this one. Ramos will not crack under the pressure of the lights and sounds.
Close. That was really close. He missed it.
Team Hunter is back in action now, and the clock is ticking. They want to catch Ñiangtasers as vulnerable imagos or infants.
There is not a second to waste. They have all of 45 minutes before the imagos develop wings and fly away.
And he scored! Superb! But it isn't over yet. There are so many of them to tackle tonight.
Team Hunter has one thing that the Ñiangtasers don't. Brute power. It's a goal! Leo flew away and they don't even know how, where or when.
Look at that! Niren has got one and he's thrown him down in the bamboo container. Crushed him! Oh, he will savor this.
These hunters look like they will not spare anything in sight, will they?
Goal after goal for Team Hunter there. What a game! What a night!
They are walking back with their prize, proud and elated. So have you ever eaten a Ñiangtaser? What does it taste like?
Yes, I have, with the rest of the village in Saiden and Lailat in Meghalaya. It's salty, textured, a lot like cheese, but crisp and delicious. Best have the travel way, cooked in bamboo containers over wood fire.
We buy Ñiangtasers from hunters for 400 to 500 rupees a kilo.
Habde berkan Ñiangtaser festival. Te kumba julong man laki Snem. Baha kapor bami kena yang sisin Snem. Wiju pulang ke festival hang te usir. Tengi susir bertip seki para nak senang para, berki lok senang tahu. Ki para ri bersodong juga nak terbi boy jungi. Bayam tak Snem. Nak kita bumla bangkiar. Ni la persengnya no yang kita kan Ñiangtaser festival. Berki berkuat ban lung yang kilap banle. Ndon kuno jingte jingkum don jingkan. Kilap berung kilap berikam kan bagi subit. Ndek kene festival hi yam dak Snem kilap persengnya. Berki don tang ketukane ki ba naklian kedehu kan le rekat Dr. Ham bok John Simle. Na beta bakina research biang ya kena kenyang bertip kemenya sepang kecilong jiman jong kena kenyang. Kita kada jibtip nak beta ki nak snow jingi baro berkerpang ya ki lok kijor. Kita sotong jong snow jingi ba katem boy ba ya Ñiangtaser festival jong Snem arjar par bila persangeno. Kita kada jibtip na ba kilok kinom ndon hakano ka jing. Confuse ko ki. Besibot.